Your analysts didn't sign up to be spreadsheet janitors, but week after week, that's exactly what they become. For one investment firm backing founders with capital and expertise, valuation models lived across dozens of fragmented Excel files, manual updates, higher error risk, and every week the model took to refresh was a week the decision had to wait. Decimal Point Analytics rebuilt the entire workflow, a standardized, macro-driven valuation system, purpose-built for hedge fund and private equity use cases. Structured inputs, automated calculations, consolidated reporting, real-time dashboards, interactive visualizations, one source of truth across the portfolio. Analysts stopped maintaining models and started driving decisions. The result: valuation cycles from weeks to days, operational costs reduced, maintenance minimized. And the breakthrough? Unlimited onboarding capacity. New portfolio companies added without operational constraint. Reactive analysis becomes proactive strategy. At scale, Decimal Point Analytics. From weeks to days. Let's transform what's next.